That was a very enjoyable session indeed. Just the one fish, short one though, short but sweet. The sun's out now. Beautiful sunrise as well, as you saw at the start of the video. Also, you notice that I made my way across rocks. It's important to wear the right gear as far as your feet are concerned. And I do have boots. I'm making my way across rocks now in the bright sunshine. But nevertheless, when the tide comes in and out, the rocks will still be slippery. And you do see holiday anglers, and I'm one of course this week, so I'm not criticising those per se, but you do see holiday anglers wearing flip-flops and trainers perched on rocks with a sharp drop to the sea. Safety is very, very important. Not just about the clothes that you wear, and in particular the boots that I'm referring to, but also where you fish. No fish or no spot, however good it might look, is worth risking your life for. And I'm always very, very careful. Although I do put myself up against the elements, it's always safety first. It was quite windy today, and the wind was coming right at me, and also the spray as well. Wasn't easy to present a bait, so what I did was move to a quieter corner, just a few yards along, but not getting the full brunt of the wind and the waves, and I caught that fish. Shows, doesn't it? Just move sometimes if you need to. Anyway, back home, because that's what it is for a week, and I'm going to have a shower, get changed, and see what the rest of the day has in store. And finally, as I make my way along the road, who's coming the other way? Good timing indeed. Shemai Dilwyn. Hello, good boy.